Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin fell 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Intel Corp will walk away from its $5.4 billion deal to acquire Israeli contract chipmaker Tower Semiconductor Limited once the company's contract expires later, according to people familiar with the matter. Global hedge funds aggressively sold Chinese stocks amid heightened concerns over the country's property sector and a weak batch of economic data, a Goldman Sachs report showed. Coinbase has secured regulatory approval to offer crypto futures for retail customers in the US, even as the cryptocurrency exchange faces a lawsuit from authorities alleging it has violated securities laws.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 hours GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.